Hello everyone, welcome to Mendit Tech. If your Wi-Fi is constantly disconnecting, don't worry. Often, this problem is due to minor settings. In this video, I will share 3 easy methods. First method, turn on airplane mode on your mobile. Leave it on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This step refreshes your mobile's network signals. In most cases, this is usually enough. Second method, if the problem persists, go to Wi-Fi settings. Click on the connected network and select Forget Network. Reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password again. Third method, if the problem is not resolved, restart the router. Users often think the problem is with the mobile, but it's the router. Restarting clears the router's cache. After performing these steps, the problem should be solved. If your Wi-Fi issue is resolved, let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel.